Hey guys, what's up? You may be wondering what is Threads Instagram app now. You might have seen some news articles recently that Meta, the owner of Facebook, Instagram has released a new app called Threads. Essentially, this is a competition from Meta over to the Twitter so basically Twitter was bought up by Elon Musk maybe about a year ago, and you can see Twitter's value since it was bought. It is about a third of initial $44 billion that he bought it, and so for this is the Meta viewing this is Meta viewing this as an opportunity to push their way into another social media type platform, and their solution to that is called Thread. So it says Threads, Meta's Twitter competitor, is now live. Basically, what does it act and feel similar is Twitter, but cool thing is that Meta has used all the user base. For instance, Instagram to piggyback off and use it for Threads. So if you hoop out of here, head towards your Google Play Store or App Store. At the top in the search bar, simply search for Threads. Here it says Threads and Instagram app, and then we can tap on Threads now. Now the thing is that it says on here you can keep your Instagram username, so it piggybacks, as I said, of your Instagram profile. You can find all of the people that you follow on Instagram and then follow their exact same accounts on Threads as well. So what they are doing is that they are trying to use their user base on Instagram that they have already grown to billions of users, basically push them over to Threads to jumpstart the start of the app so that other people will join it quickly and it can quickly overtake Twitter. So now you can see here it looks sort of a Twitter. Basically you can have a little short sentences about what you are doing or what your thoughts. It says connect over conversations, and then you can also share your point of views. Of course, you can still post photos and stuff like that. The whole look and the feel is a lot more conversational. Basically, you are going to type in something and people can respond to it, comment on it, share other post, all of that stuff. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video and information about Threads. So if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.